Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making a very delicious and authentic Nigerian pan soup, also known as Ofe Akwu. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, do other beautiful stuff. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting further time, let's get started. And here are my ingredients for this ofaku. So here is my crayfish. I'll be using lots of crayfish for this recipe. And here is my onions, my momo, that's cow skin already washed. In here I have beef and chicken. It's just 3 pieces of chicken. Like, this chicken has been in the fridge for a very long time, so I say let me just use it. Okay, add it with the meat. And here is my okpeyi. Yes, you need okpeyi for this recipe. Please don't skip it. This is what okpeyi looks like. Okay, and for my banga, I'll be making use of this brand Pali Agro Banga, but you can use the fresh one if that's what you have. So here is my pepper, and also I'll be making use of my scent leaf. So guys, I'm going to start now to cook my beef, okay, and the chicken. I'm just going to add in the meat, just going to start cooking the meat. And then I'll add in my chopped onions. I'll go in now with my grated pepper. So guys, I was supposed to add in my seasoning cube before adding in water. Okay, I didn't remember, so I added in water, but then I'm going to add in my seasoning cube now. So here is my seasoning cube. I just added it now, and then I'm going to give this a very good mix. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook. Okay, I'm not going to cook this meat until it is done. I'm going to cook this meat half done. This is because I'm still going to be cooking the meat further when I add in my palm fruits extract. Okay, you're going to see it in the video. So now I'm done mixing everything. I'm just going to cover the pot and I'll allow this to cook. Halfway in cooking our meat, I'm going to be adding in the palm fruit extract now. Please guys, pardon my voice, I've been under the weather. Okay, I will add in the pomo now. I'm going to mix this together, cover and allow this to cook, okay, until it starts to thicken. All right, guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video, share the video, and always leave your comment for me in the comment section. Okay, so now our palm nut soup has been cooking. Like, guys, look how yummy this soup is already looking like. It has started to come together. So now I'm going to add in my crayfish together with the okpeyi. The black thing you're seeing here is the okpeyi. I grated it together. Don't worry, the okpeyi is going to dissolve completely inside the pot. Okay, Like I said, please do not skip this when you add it. And then I'm going to be adding in salt. I'm going to stir this together now, like mix everything up very well. Then I will cover this pot and allow it to continue cooking until it start to thicken, okay? Like get the consistency that I want. So while this is cooking, I'll be preparing my scent leaf. Guys, look how delicious this banga stew is already looking like. Our banga soup is 80% ready. Like you can see from the video that the soup is almost ready. So now I'm just going to add in my scent leaf. I tested for salt at this point and it needed some adjustment, so I'm going to add in just a little salt, okay, not much, just a little bit of salt. And then I will add in my scent leaf now. So guys, I'm going to mix this together now, cover and allow this to cook for extra 5 minutes. Guys, I hope your white rice is ready because this here is so delicious. Like from the look of it, you are going to tell that this is yummy, very delicious. So I'm just going to cover and let it cook for just 5 minutes, okay? Do not skip this scent leaf, okay? Don't skip it, it's not optional. And guys, look what we have. Our yummy and delicious banga stew is ready, guys. Like I hope your white rice is ready. Look how delicious this stew is looking like. So delicious. And guys, this is what we have. Our delicious Ofe Akwu is ready. Our Banga stew is ready. Let me know in the comment section if your white rice stew is ready. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, okay? And also give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching, guys. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.